Okay, let's do it, shall we? This is Doggone, my brand new book, published by HarperCollins. Out now. Are you sitting comfortably? Yes? Okay, then we'll begin. I'm Edward Pugglesworth. How do you do? And this is the house where I live with my crew. There's Foxy, Lord Squeakerton, Hot Dog, the bears, and Dave, my pet human. I keep him upstairs. He's not too much trouble. He's tidy and neat. He plays with his ball and he eats the odd treat. I love my pet human. He's loyal and true, but sometimes I think that I should have got two. And now for our story. I'll always remember that crisp autumn day at the end of September. I woke Dave at 8 with a good morning bark and took him straight out for his walk in the park. The air cooled our breath as we kicked through the leaves. We bumped into Shadow. We said hi to Jeeves. We nodded to Heron, gave Rabbit a wave. And then we both froze and I hid behind Dave. For there, in the shed by the merry-go-round, they say that a terrible troll can be found, with fur-covered face and huge eyes of bright green. He loves chasing dogs with his eating machine.